welcome to my channel, Just Rhea. If you don't know who I am Rhea, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of, you can see that, Hubble. So if you have been scrolling through Instagram and you've seen those Hubble contact ads, or if the ads just pop up on a website that you're on and you were skeptical on trying them out, well, I have the review here for you. So let's just get into it. So I will say it comes in this little small box. Fits about, I guess, 2 boxes. So 2 of these came in a box. They say Hubble. And basically you try them for $1. And then after that, I think the prescription amount is $47 or something like that. Let me just put it out there. Well, I'll save that for the end. I'll let you guys know whether or not I decided to keep the subscription going. But for starters, you have to know your prescription. I did an order 3 times. 3, because I forgot my prescription. I forgot this right here, this amount. There it is. I forgot that. So, you know, each eye there's a prescription for each eye, and for some people it's the same. In my case, mine is the same in each eye. So I forgot. So I did it one time, it was the wrong one, and I lost the thing that they give you at the eye doctor. So I put an order in, it was the wrong one. I put another order in, and guess what? It was the wrong one. The first time I put positive, the number, and then the second time I was off 5, and the third time was a charm. Well, we'll see. So okay, here, this is how you open. So it's saying that 15, there it is. 15 comes to 1 pack. They're daily contacts, so you're supposed to change them out every day. You get 2 boxes for 30 days, so 15. So this is how they come. And I am a -550. So that's what my prescription is for each eye. So I am just going to try these on camera. I haven't worn contacts in about 2 months now, giving my eyes a break. You know, just want to give my eyes a break. So I have 2, and they literally say daily on them. So let's see. I'm gonna take these off. Believe it or not, I cannot see. Yeah, I can't even see the name of my camera. All right, so I am going to do a try on for you guys. This is what the contact looks like. And my hands were already washed, so I'm just gonna put it in my eye. Doesn't matter which one because they're both the same. Okay, I will say I can see the prescription is right. It's just watery. I guess probably because I haven't had none in a while. But let's just get the second one in. So if you are different in each eye, I'm assuming that they will mark 1 box left and 1 box right. That's the other one. This one's gonna give me trouble, isn't it? It like literally stung my eye because my eyes are like, no. Woo. It would have been nice if I would have had some tissue. Okay, I can see, you guys. I'm gonna wear them for a little while and just, you know, see how they feel on the eye. But I can see the prescription in the contacts. I can see like as if I had my glasses on. So that is a plus. That's a plus. I will say they feel really thin, which could be a good thing because I guess your eye can breathe, but it feels like they're about to flip out my eye. That's what it feels. It doesn't feel like they're fit where they're supposed to be fitting. And it feels like they're popping out or puffing up. I don't know how to describe it, but to me, it just feels like they have to keep repositioning on every time I blink. That's what it feels like. And of course, that's going to cause you to rub them like I just did. I don't know, guys. They were easy to put on, and I only tried them for $1, so I have 30 days to try them. Today is February 1st, so I'm going to give them 28 days. I'm going to try them out for 28 days, and we will be back with a review on February 28th. Well, with the final review. So for right now, I can't really say if I like them or not. And I'll let you guys know at the end of February if I'm going to continue this subscription. I will say for 30 days for $47, that is a bit expensive because I can get 2 to 3 boxes of monthly contacts for $60. So $47 for 30 days, that's a lot. That's just me though. And I usually use, I think it's airoptix, or is it UV? I put what I use when I figure out what I use in the description box below. So yeah, but I will see you guys in 27 days with a final review on Hubble. Thanks for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.